Hello friends, this is Anubhav. Today I am going to show you how to bring whiteboard to write while on slideshow mode using PowerPoint. This is tip number 4. So, in the middle of your slideshow, if you want to write or draw something on the slide, as I told you at tip number 3, then press the keys Ctrl plus P to turn the mouse pointer into a pen. And this time you can draw anything here, but there is not too much space to draw here, so you need to press the key W to open a whiteboard. So here you can draw anything such as foot charts or diagrams or anything you want to draw, such as a circle, a rectangle or a triangle. So you can also give the percentage here. So for example, I am writing here 15, here 35, and here 50. These are the percentage here. Perfect. And to bring the blackboard, you need to press B to bring the blackboard. And here also you can draw anything like a diamond shape or a chart or a bar or a chart here. Perfect. I hope friends you like this video. So please like, comment and subscribe my channel. See you in next video, and for now, bye bye.